Welcome to Edgeverse, where we explore how innovation reshapes our cities. Today, we're focusing on Hong Kong's iconic skyline, nestled between mountains and sea. What if this concrete jungle could become a lush, green oasis, with buildings breathing life into the city? Join us as we explore how Hong Kong could lead in sustainable vertical living. If you're interested in urban design or ecotech, hit that like button. Hong Kong is a marvel. Over 7.5 million people and just over 1,000 square kilometers. Buildings rise due to limited land, rugged hills, and a booming economy, creating a vertical jungle. This density, while efficient, significantly impacts the environment. The urban heat island effect traps heat and pollution in urban canyons, making areas like Mong Kok hotter. Buildings consume 90% of the city's electricity and emit 60% of its greenhouse gases. Limited green space affects air quality and mental health for most residents. The climate crisis puts cities like Hong Kong on the front lines. Without change, we face more heat waves, higher energy bills, and reduced quality of life. Hong Kong can blend green tech with its high-rise environment to become a blueprint for sustainable cities. This transforms extreme density from a liability into a superpower. Hong Kong's architecture evolved from necessity. Post-war, it rapidly built basic blocks, then iconic skyscrapers like the HSBC building. Unplanned growth led to hyperdense districts like Mong Kok, with over 130,000 people per square kilometer. This efficiency traps pollutants, amplifies noise, and leaves little room for nature. Air quality often exceeds safe limits and noise reverberates in urban canyons. Since the 90s, Hong Kong has implemented green building standards like BEAM+, assessing energy use and air quality. Buildings like Hysan Place and K11 Musea showcase green atria and living walls. While incremental, these efforts are a start. The real change lies in retrofitting old buildings and regenerative designs. Imagine a living skyscraper with bio-integrated facades and living walls. These vertical gardens absorb CO2, filter pollutants, and cool buildings by up to 30%. They also muffle noise and create habitats, transforming towers into urban forests. K11 Musea demonstrates how this reduces heat and boosts biodiversity. Beyond greening exteriors, buildings can generate their own power with building integrated photovoltaics, or BPV. Solar cells woven into windows and walls generate electricity, available in various colors. Kinetic energy from foot traffic and mini wind turbines can further diversify power. Hong Kong's rooftops could turn buildings into net energy producers, cutting carbon. Future buildings can act as giant sponges, harvesting rainwater. Rainwater is collected for toilets and plants, and greywater is recycled. Waste-to-energy systems convert organic scraps into biogas for power, with leftovers fertilizing gardens. This creates a closed loop, minimizing water input and waste output, as seen at Zero Carbon Park. Vertical farms and towers use hydroponics to grow vegetables year-round. This reduces food imports, boosts security, and uses recycled water. Agritecture transforms concrete into cropland, with farm floors supplying fresh greens to tenants. These innovations create skyscraper ecosystems that breathe, power, recycle, and nourish. Connecting these green towers is crucial for a truly livable city. Elevated walkways can become sky bridges, linear parks with plants and open-air spaces. These green lungs create a 3D network for walking and biking above street level. Imagine strolling from your home to a rooftop farm via a vegetated bridge. Rooftops are gold mines for urban farms, jogging tracks, pools, or biodiversity hubs. Green roofs cool buildings, reduce flooding, and boost mental health. Smart buildings with IoT and AI optimize lights, air, and elevators for efficiency. Apps track energy use and book garden spots, making sustainability personal. Green designs foster community with shared atria, lounges, and gardens. Public housing retrofits ensure everyone benefits from cleaner air and lower bills. This is social sustainability, building a resilient, connected city. Retrofitting old buildings is challenging, requiring serious engineering for weight and systems. Living walls need maintenance, and green tech has high upfront costs, despite long-term payoffs. Developers prioritize profits, and outdated regulations hinder innovation. Policy can offer incentives like tax breaks for genuine green impact. Mandating solar on new builds and greening public buildings are key steps. Singapore's City in a Garden mandates greenery, with icons like the Oasis Hotel. Hong Kong can leverage its engineers, finance, and hilly terrain for unique integrations. Avoid green gentrification by prioritizing affordable housing and green jobs. Success means a city where everyone thrives, not just ecometrics. Hong Kong can evolve into an emerald city, blending density with nature. This vision is achievable with existing tech and bold policies, inspiring cities worldwide. Hong Kong could be the beacon for sustainable urbanism. Could Hong Kong achieve this? Share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and share if this sparked ideas. Thanks for watching. Let's build a greener tomorrow. See you next time.